in Bali. You know, it's really nice here. I'm at like a cool like cafe type of thing, so it's like really chill. But one thing I want to talk about really quickly here, this is going to be a short video, and this is going to be worth your time if you just like take and actually use what I'm about to share with you. This is something I've experienced, you know, throughout my entire life, and it's only recently that I started leveraging it. So if you realize in life, once you do new things, once you go through new experiences, you know, let's say you start early in the morning, let's say you go on like a cool thing that you've never done before at 7 a.m. then you're gonna realize if you actually look at the time's gonna go by so much slower. The day's gonna go by so slow. Like your day is gonna go so slow, and it's gonna feel like hours are going by so slow, unless you're with a group of friends. But let's say you're traveling solo like me, by yourself. The day is gonna go by so slow. Like I literally drove like 2 hours here from Uluwatu. I mean from Ubud to Uluwatu. That's a 2-hour drive for me, and it's to meet another content agency creator. But I did that at like 6 a.m. and it's only like 11 a.m. I did my outreach. I watched a couple educational videos. I've done so much, and the only reason it's going by so slow is because I've never been here before in Uluwatu. You see, it's so nice over here. The beaches are beautiful, the weather's amazing, and I never went to actually like a co-working space. This is my first time here. If you're in my newsletter, then you know my story about how I met people. They said you need to go out more, go co-working space, etc. Anyhow, the point is, leverage these new experiences, and especially if you're solo, because you're going to realize that time goes by so slow, and you can just leverage that. Because now that the time's going by slow, guess what I can do? I can achieve much more work. And even when the time's going fast, it's actually not going fast. Time's actually quite slow. You just don't know how to use your time properly. It's a time issue. So the next time you say, oh, the time's going by fast, I didn't have enough time, I couldn't complete it, I need more time. You really don't. You just need a better like schedule. You just need to have better time management. Your time, like, you just need to schedule your time a lot better. That's really the point of this video here. So yeah, anyhow, Bali's amazing. Got out the sun, it was so hot there. And yeah, point of this video, literally leverage your time and use it to your advantage. Now that the time is slow, I'm about to go meet up with them, and I'll probably film it a little bit. If not, then oh well. But yeah, now that the time's slow, I got a lot of work done, and I use that to my advantage. So yeah, just a quick video, and see you in the next one.